All right, so let's go ahead and get into it, man. Today we are talking about some new Qi2 goodness. Well, I'm not sure if this is new. It was new when I bought it, and I've owned it for a month or so now, so it's new to the channel. So you guys know I love talking about Qi2 accessories, and I love digging on Amazon, trying to see what's the latest and greatest for you out there to get. And there is nothing that I like more than nice travel chargers that has all the 3-in-1, everything you need to keep all your big three charged up. That's going to be your iPhone, your AirPods, and your Apple Watch, because we're not taking 3 separate cables to charge all of those. Although you can if you have a lightning cable iPhone, a Type-C cable AirPods, and then a whole Apple Watch cable. It can get that way. It gets like that. But we don't gotta do that, man. Thanks to Belkin and their Boost Charge Pro, all 3-in-1 travel charger. Now, no, Belkin does not know who I am. I actually found this on Amazon, always browsing things, trying to figure out what's the latest and greatest. I also travel a lot. I need to get things more compact and small because we know how packing bags, we know what it's like when it's traveling. So let's go get into it. Let's see what this Belkin has. But the first thing that we already see is it comes with this neoprene. Is that what the material is called? Neoprene. Y'all know what I'm like, your old school, middle school book bag, all right? But that's what it has when it comes to the travel pouch. It's going to have a little bit of Belkin branding right there. Nothing too fancy, okay? This is just going to be able to travel in and keep it all together and slide up in that carry-on bag that half of y'all got too damn big, all right? But let's go ahead and get inside and see the contents inside, because that's, of course, what matters when we are talking about the charge. Now, of course, when it comes to a travel pack, it has to have all the 3 things in order to make the power happen and charge your devices up. So the first thing that we got to have some power. And yes, they do include a Belkin branded Type-C charger. Now, I don't know what the stats of this bad boy is. I believe it's 36 watts. Well, I'm looking at this like my parents that look back and you're getting old as hell. All right, eyes is getting a little bad. So I believe this bad boy is 36 watts, but it's a kind of an odd shape. Now, I probably would like to see this kind of a little bit more compact, because you never know. We may can save a little bit more space inside this package. Prongs don't fall down, fold down. Do they pop off? I'm not sure. I have been using it, but I haven't really used it a whole lot. So yeah, it comes with a power adapter. So you know we got to have that. And the next thing that we got to have is a Type-C cable. And yes, they do include a pretty good Type-C cable. This is going to have that 90-degree bend that goes into your charger. This side is actually going to go to the power adapter, and a decent length, nothing too small, decent, maybe 3 feet, probably. That's all you really need when you were talking about a travel adapter. I'm not trying to reach clean across the room. That does easily what it needs to do. And last but not least, of course, we are going to have the triple puck, giving you all of your charging solutions when we are talking about a pad. Now, no, this is nothing new that we have not seen before. We have seen this across multiple brands. Banks has one. It's a couple of these on Amazon that has this type of form factor. So take it as it is. A lot of those aren't Qi2. So Belkin did give you the Qi2 technology when it comes to this. Now let's talk about the construction of this actual base itself. It's called liquid silicone. It reminds you of a ESR silicone case. Maybe a little bit more soft than an Apple silicone case, which we don't want nothing to be made out of that, because the Apple silicone is absolutely what when we're talking about terms of quality. But overall, it's very good. The hinge is very strong, because not only can you lay this flat, you can also prop it up. And this is how I usually use it when I'm on the go. Prop that up, and you also have that hinge for your Apple Watch. All of the hinges feel good. Nothing feels cheap when it comes to these parts. And this side is just going to be a dangler, because this helps fold it over and everything like that. So let's go get ahead. Go ahead and get head. What the hell? Let's go ahead and plug everything up. Now, I'm not going to go under my desk and plug these things up right here. I'm just not going to do that. This is for demonstration purposes. So we're going to set these to the side. And I do keep a Type-C always handy dandy, ready to go ahead and plug this bad boy in. So I do know that it plugs in over here behind your AirPod slot. Now, like I stated, I like to use mine like this. For some reason, it just gives you a little bit more space when you're talking about charging all 3 of your devices up. So let's go ahead and start off from the right. Go ahead and take it to the left, dropping those AirPods down. Bing, you heard the chime. I probably was running my damn mouth too much, but that's what I do. There's more accessory channels out there. Go watch me if you think I run my damn mouth too much. Let's go ahead and grab the Apple Watch. Let's go ahead and take it off. Of course, if you guys asked about the band, this is going to be the Apple titanium band. Drop it on the charger here. And you kind of have to make sure it's up there, right? Yeah, there you go. All right, make sure it's kind of popped up like that. Yep, there you go. I kind of prop it up like that. perfect in my opinion. And last but not least, the reason why I use it like that, because I find myself using nightstand mode all the time. And there you go with it charging via nightstand mode. And that's basically going to be your setup. Now, no, you don't have tons of room when it comes to this 3-in-1 charger. It's a travel charger, so it's meant to be compact. It's meant to be small. Look, when I'm traveling, I don't care about having a bunch of space. I just want all of my devices charged up at one time. And that's exactly what this Belkin Boost Charge Pro Qi2 does. No LED lights, nothing like that around. Simple, to the point. Charges all three of your devices up and you are good to go. So when it's time to leave out in the morning time, pop your AirPods off. And you know, this is a rare sight. My AirPods is out here living that naked life. You pop that off, pop your watch off. You know, we can go ahead and slide the Apple Watch back on. You know, this can be a little bit of a, you know, struggle with this band. I'm still, you know, getting used to it, but it's not bad. And then you basically pop your phone off, all right? You pop your phone off and then you're done for the day. Pop this down, fold it back up, boom, boom. Open your case up. Let's go ahead and slide that back in here. Slide the power adapter right there. Let's go ahead and tightly couple this up a little bit more so this can get in there just fine. So you kind of have to make sure this is wrapped up, all right, a little bit tighter. Pause, you know what I mean? Wrap it up, and then you're gonna slide it in this little slot back here. All right, boom, and you good to go. You zip it up, boom, there it is when it comes to your compact 3-in-1 charger. So you're good to go. Throw this thing up in your book bag, throw it up in a small bag, check bag, carry-on bag, booty bag, whatever bag you got, your stay at night, your whole bag out there. I know y'all say that as well. Throw it up in there, all right? Throw the 3-in-1 charger up in there. So Belkin, man, good job. These seem to get smaller and smaller in package. And so far, I think this may be the smallest package that I have. Pause. Anyway, the smallest package that I have when it comes to a Qi2 3-in-1 charger. So good job, Belkin, when it comes to it. This is going to be $100. Okay, right now, limited time deal, $100 on Amazon. I didn't do this video because I knew the deal. I didn't know what the deal was. $100 on Amazon. Normal price is $130. I paid $130 for it. Go out there and save yourself some time, man. Belkin makes quality charging products. They're one of the OGs that's been doing it for a very long time. You can't go wrong when it comes to this. Go out there and pick one up. Has all the necessary little things to make your 3-in-1 desires happen when we are talking about a 3-in-1 charger. So this is my current travel charger. By the way, I'm not just doing this video for you guys. This is what's currently in my travel tech bag. It's about time for one of those videos as well. But that's about it, man. If you want to check out some more accessories that you can check out, especially when it comes to traveling. Links for this in the description down below. But if you want to check some of my other chargers or travel accessories, I don't know. Whatever video I'm going to put up, I'll be sure to link it right there. It's a good old technical TV video that you can go out there and check out.